Hello aspirants, welcome you all. So we all know that the exams are coming very soon. IFFCO AGT prelims result will be released by today, and CCI is also going to be held very soon, probably within the June month only. Okay, so you have to buckle up your preparations and keep on attempting maximum number of questions that you can, right? Now let's start today's session. The first question is, which of the following is a C4 plant? Okay, C4 plant example it is asking wheat, rice, maize and barley. So wheat is C3, rice is also C3, barley is also C3. Only maize is a C4 plant, right? So option C will be the right answer. Now here very quickly we will look into the examples of C3, C4 and CAM plants. Okay, so only 1% of the total cultivated species are C4. C3 are barley, coconut, grape, palm, peanut, plum, potatoes, rye, soybean, sugar beet, sunflower beet. All of these are C3 plants. C4 are agave, pineapple, cactus, vanilla. These are CAM plants. Okay, CAM. And C4 are cane, corn, millet, and sorghum. Okay. So cane से यहाँ पर sugar cane, it's referring to sugar cane. Sugar cane, maize, millet, and sorghum. These are the C4 plants. Now next question is the ideal pH range for most crops. So the ideal pH range is obviously the neutral range of pH, that is 6 to 7.5. Nothing to discuss here. Next question is the process of converting atmospheric nitrogen into a form usable by plants. Converting nitrogen into a form that is usable by plants or that can be absorbed by plants, it is called nitrification, denitrification, nitrogen fixation or ammonification. So the right answer is obviously nitrogen fixation. Now just we will very quickly look into the cycle. Okay, this is nitrogen gas that is available freely in the atmosphere. By nitrogen fixation, it is fixed into organic nitrogen that can be absorbed by the plants. Then what happens? Ammonification happens. This organic nitrogen is converted into ammonium. Okay, then ammonium is again from the process of nitrification, it is formed into nitrate. Okay, nitrate and then first nitrite and then nitrate. Okay, then this process goes through denitrification and again nitrogen gas in free form is formed. Okay, so this is the whole nitrogen cycle. Next is, which method is commonly used for reclamation of saline soil? So reclamation of saline soil, obviously gypsum is added. Okay, gypsum is added for the reclamation of saline soil. Nothing more to explain here also. This is a quick revision session, right? Next is the Green Revolution in India was initiated during which 5-year plan? So it was launched in the third 5-year plan, that was from 1951. Sorry, not 1951. 1961 to 66. Next, this concept of green revolution was formulated in the third 5-year plan, as you can see here, third 5-year plan, and 1961 to 66 by Dr. Swaminathan, who is known as the father of green revolution in India, and Norman Borlaug is known as the father of green revolution in the world. The term green revolution was given by William S. God. Okay, W.S. God you can remember, or just God you can remember. So he gave the term green revolution, right? Now next question is, which of the following statements about C3 and C4 plant is correct? First statement is C3 plants have higher photosynthetic efficiency under high light and temperature. So this statement is wrong because C4 plants have higher photosynthetic efficiency than C3. Then C4 plants fix carbon through Calvin cycle only. This also is wrong. It fixes through Kranz anatomy as well. C3 plants fix carbon through Kranz anatomy, Calvin cycle only. So this would have been C3. It would have been true for C3 plants. Then C4 plants have Kranz anatomy and PEP carboxylase enzyme. This is true. And the last statement, C3 plants show no photorespiration. This is wrong. This would have been C4. All the C4 plants along with some CAM plants show no photorespiration. So the correct statement is only option number C. Next question is, which of the following fertilizers show maximum acid forming effect in soil? The right answer for this question is option number A, ammonium sulfate. Right. Next is, at what soil pH is phosphorus most available to plants in the tropical soils? Okay, the right option here is 6.5 to 7. Okay, phosphorus, remember phosphorus related to pH, 6.5 to 7. Next is the conversion of ammonium ion to nitrite and then to nitrate in soil is carried out by which group of microorganisms? So the first group of microorganism would be involved in converting ammonium to nitrite, and second group of organism will be involved in converting nitrite to nitrate. So the right answer for this question is option number B, Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. Nitrosomonas is involved here, converting ammonium to nitrite, and Nitrobacter is involved in processing nitrite to nitrate. So option number B is the right answer. Next is the minimum number of chilling hours required for commercial apple cultivation in temperate region is. So the right answer for this would be 1400 to 1800 hours. That is less than 7 degrees Celsius it requires. Okay, apple. Now here you can see Malus domestica is the scientific name of apple. It belongs to Rosaceae family. The origin of apple is Central Asia. The climate is dry temperate and chilling requirement is this, and 1000 to 1600. So the option that was closest was 1400 to 1800. That was the closest. Right, so 1000 to 1600 hours, less than 7 degree is required. It can be grown at an elevation of 1200 to 2000 meter. Well-drained loamy soil is required, 5.5 to 6.5 pH. Standard varieties need 4.5 to 4.5 spacing, but the high density planting can be done in 3 into 1 meter distance place spacing. Okay. Next is, which centrally sponsored scheme promotes balanced use of fertilizer along with organic and biofertilizers? Fasal Bima Yojana, no, this is related to crop insurance. Then PM Kisan Samman Nidhi, this is related to providing financial support to farmers, right? Then Soil Health Card Scheme, it is again related to maintaining the fertility of the soil and not related to fertilizer. Option number D is the right answer, Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. So, PKVY, 10 years of agricultural achievements. It because PKVY was launched in 2015. It was a centrally sponsored scheme. Okay, and it is an extended component of the soil health management under centrally sponsored scheme and the National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture. It aims at supporting and promoting organic farming through biofertilizers and organic fertilizers. Okay. So here you can see 20 hectares each. Such clusters have been formed. About 32,000 clusters have been formed under PKVY. 6.53 lakh hectares have been covered. 16 lakh farmers have been benefited, and 4 lakh hectares of area have already been covered under BPKP, under Bharatiya Krishi Vikas Paddhati. Okay, that is a sub scheme of PKVY. Next question is, which of the following is an example of three-line hybrid system? Three-line hybrid system example is cytoplasmic genetic male sterility, or CGMS as we call it. It is called as three-line hybrid system because it utilizes three different lines: A line, B line and R line, where A line is the male sterile. Okay, let me just write it. Male sterile. And the B line is the maintainer, and R is the restorer. Okay, A, B and R line are used. Okay, so that's why it's called as three-line hybridization system. Next, which fruit crop exhibits polyembryony as a major propagation challenge? This is a very easy question. So polyembryony is exhibited mostly in mango that acts as a major propagation challenge. Okay, polyembryony means from one seed, multiple seedlings can develop. Which of the following crops is propagated by suckers and has a pseudostem? So suckers, obviously banana is propagated by suckers. Option B will be the right answer. How is papaya commercially propagated? It is mainly through seed and tissue culture. Air layering is done in guava as a commercial propagation method. In sapota also air layering and grafting is also done. Grafting or budding can be used. So option B is the right answer. Last question is, which gene in rice confers submergence tolerance and has been introgressed into popular high yielding varieties like Swarna and IR64? So submergence tolerance gene, it is asking XA21 sub 1A BT1 PI54. Right answer is sub 1A. This gene XA21, it is also a crucial gene. It is for against the bacterial pathogen Xanthomonas oryzae. Okay, if we incorporate this gene, then the rice variety will be resistant to the bacterial pathogen Xanthomonas oryzae. Okay, that causes bacterial blight. Okay, let me just write it here only. It's a bacteria that causes bacterial blight. Now BT1 is completely different thing. It is a gene, dominant gene responsible for bitterness of cucumber. And PI54, it provides resistance against Magna Portha oryzae that causes rice blast. So option number B is the right answer here. That's all for today. See you all in the next session with some more such useful questions. Thank you. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that we can reach out to you with the best possible content for the upcoming exams.